Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Kavita and it is day 5 of our daily practice series. Guys, hope you are staying consistent with your practice and remember every small step brings you closer to fluency. So keep going and with daily effort you will become a fluent speaker in no time. So let's practice together. I eat, I eat, she sings, she sings. We play, we play. He runs, he runs. They dance, they dance. I read, I read. She writes, she writes. We swim, we swim. He speaks, he speaks. They laugh, they laugh. I sleep, I sleep. She cooks, she cooks. We walk, we walk. He study, he study. They fight, they fight. I watch TV, I watch TV. She listens to music, she listens to music. We jump, we jump. He teach math, he teach math. They talk loudly, they talk loudly. I smile, I smile. She cry, she cry. We draw pictures, we draw pictures. He paints walls, he paints walls. They travel often, they travel often. I think a lot, I think a lot. She drinks tea, she drinks tea. We wait here, we wait here. He drives a car, he drives a car. They listen to news, they listen to news. I learn quickly, I learn quickly. She reads books, she reads books. We clean our room, we clean our room. He helps his friends, he helps his friends. They smile at strangers, they smile at strangers. I enjoy movies, I enjoy movies. She prays daily, she prays daily. We celebrate festivals, we celebrate festivals. He sings beautifully, he sings beautifully. They play cricket, they play cricket. I walk to school, I walk to school. She shops online, she shops online. We sit quietly, we sit quietly. He opens the door, he opens the door. They close the windows, they close the windows. I live in India, I live in India. She loves animals, she loves animals. We give gifts, we give gifts. He asks questions, he asks questions. They work hard, they work hard. I laugh often, I laugh often. She swims well, she swims well. We write essay, we write essay. He cooks dinner, he cooks dinner. They sing in the core. They sing in the core. I sit on the chair. I sit on the chair. She stands near the window. She stands near the window. We learn new things. We learn new things. He reads the newspaper. He reads the newspaper. They teach science. They teach science. I run fast. I run fast. She sleeps early. She sleeps early. We clean the house. We clean the house. He waits patiently. He waits patiently. They cry sometimes. They cry sometimes. I drink water. I drink water. She smiles often. She smiles often. We enjoy the weather. We enjoy the weather. He plays football. He plays football. They study in college. They study in college. I ask for help. I ask for help. She helps her parents. She helps her parents. We build houses. We build houses. He fixed the bike. He fixed the bike. They try hard. They try hard. I observe carefully. I observe carefully. She decides quickly. She decides quickly. We watch movies. We watch movies. He grows vegetables. He grows vegetables. They climb hills. They climb hills. I explore nature. I explore nature. She dances gracefully. She dances gracefully. We pray in the morning. We pray in the morning. He shares food. He shares food. They drive carefully. They drive carefully. I think deeply. I think deeply. She eats slowly. She eats slowly. We shout for joy. We shout for joy. He whispers softly. He whispers softly. They paint walls. They paint walls. I listen to songs. I listen to songs. He gives advice. He gives advice. We thank everyone. We thank everyone. He greets guests. He greets guests. They stay together. They stay together. I agree with you. I agree with you. She disagrees politely. She disagrees politely. We remember birthdays. We remember birthdays. He forgets dates. He forgets dates. They argue often. They argue often. Thank you for watching and happy learning. Subscribe for more videos and like